Hi guys, welcome to Book Club's tutorial number 2. In this tutorial, we are going to be going over a step-by-step guide on how to create a meeting. So you've just logged into your Book Club's account and now you're going to want to navigate to your club. So go ahead and go to where it says My Clubs and then click on your club name. And then you're going to want to navigate, use the left navigation bar and click Meetings, so the Meetings tab. And this is going to open up your meetings tab. So this will display all of your upcoming meetings, past meetings. Your members can also go here to RSVP for their meetings, and this is also where you are going to create a new meeting. So we're going to go ahead and click Create a New Meeting. And the first step is going to be to search for your book. But say you want to use something else, like an article, a film, a podcast, you can go ahead and select this box and then go and copy the link to whatever you're using and paste it here as another meeting material. And all the information will auto-populate into the meeting. But we're going to search for our book, so go ahead and search. And click to add. And then you're going to want to add a meeting date. So go ahead and select a meeting date and a meeting time. You can also change the time zone, so make sure you have the right time zone, and you can do that by clicking here. You can also set a meeting duration. You can also, so if we're having a virtual meeting, you're going to want to go to Zoom or Google Meetup and copy the meeting link there and then paste it here. You can also use any other video conferencing platform, but this is where your virtual meeting link will go. If you're having an in-person meeting, you can add the address of the meeting location right here. You can also click Include Meeting Host, and this will offer a drop-down menu of all of your members. And if your members have their privacy settings set to show their information to their club and they have their address in their information, then once you select them, their address will auto-populate in the meeting location. And then if you want to limit the number of RSVPs to the meeting, you can click here and go ahead and enter in the number of members that you want to attend. And then it'll be first come, first serve to who RSVPs first. You can also add any notes to the group. But once you've added all your details, you're going to want to go ahead and click Create Meeting. Once you've done so, the default setting is to send a notification to your club. This will send an app notification as well as an email. And in the email, it'll have all of the information about your club. So what book is attached, what time, the meeting link, also any notes that you've left. And it'll also have an RSVP option where your members can RSVP through the email. And it will also have a calendar invite where they can integrate the meeting into their calendar. So if you don't want to send a notification, you can go ahead and uncheck this box. But we're just going to submit the meeting. Once you've done so, this is going to show up. Your meeting's going to show up on your upcoming meetings. So if you want to edit any of these details, you can go ahead and click Edit. And then just change whatever details you want, and then make sure you click Edit Meeting and then Submit. If your members want to RSVP, they can RSVP here. They can also add a rating of the book. This will show how many people are going to come to the meeting as well as who exactly has RSVP'd. If you click this arrow, it'll show. And then there's also links to where you can buy the books if you haven't bought your book already. So yes, once this meeting passes, it's going to auto-populate into your past meetings. But that's basically everything that you need to know about creating a meeting. So I hope this has helped, and stay tuned for our next tutorials.